So, to make this story as short as possible, so I've known Cure since 2018 when I was in Jamaica with my sister, and we didn't do anything sexual or anything like that. And then I was living in um, Jamaica in 2019, and I went over and he fed me, and like it was all fun and games. Like nothing ever gave me a red flag that he was crazy.
Welcome again and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Now, the female in the questionable video that made rounds on social media with recording artist Jacure is sharing her side of the story. And we have that to come now on the program. This is the Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back after this short break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV, Celebrity to the Scoop. What a topic we have for you lined up today. We ask you, please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're notified whenever we post new videos. Now, the recording artist, the reggae star himself, Jacure, has been caught in a controversy that is making rounds on social media after a video of him surfaced disrespecting a female at a location. In the video, you could hear Jacure stating to the female that he would break her hand and also do some other things to her if her money was not repaid to him. Now, the female in the questionable video right now has come out on social media and she's actually spilling the bean as it relates to what happened between the two of them and how she actually met Jacure and what really led to the incident that took place allegedly last year. Now, in the video, Jacure tried to clear his name in a recent video which was posted to social media. However, the fans are not having it, and the fans are basically stating that Jacure is lying about the whole entire situation based on the damning information that the female have been posting on social media. And to the array of many right now, many are believing the female over the recording artist. In a recent video the entertainer did, he said that the incident actually happened several years ago, and the female is actually stating that it just happened last year. The female, however, stated that she did not leak the video online, and in fact the video was actually taken to a police station in order to file a report against the entertainer. However, somehow the video have leaked on social media and is so far making rounds. However, the female update the general public as it relates to what really led to the incident between herself and Jacure back in 2019, and we have that right now queued up to share with you. So let's go over to that right now on Links 007 TV, and we will keep you up to date with this story because this one, trust me, is a very interesting topic. So let's go over to that right now, and when we return, we'll have our rebuttal at the end of this video. So let's go over to that.
So, to make this story as short as possible, so I've known Cure since 2018 when I was in Jamaica with my sister, and we didn't do anything sexual or anything like that. And then I was living in Jamaica in 2019, and I went over and he fed me, and like it was all fun and games. Like nothing ever gave me a red flag that he was crazy. And so in December of 2019, when I had came back to the United States, he asked if I would fly out and help him with a music video, and I was like, yeah, that's totally fine, that sounds fun, I love Jamaica, blah blah blah, can I bring a friend? I don't feel comfortable coming alone. And he was like, yeah, that's fine, give me your guys' flight information, send me a picture of your passport, and I'll fly you in. No big deal. So we fly into Montego Bay, we stay at the S Resort or whatever in Montego Bay, and everything's good. Like, we stayed the first night there, we go party, like everything's fine. Like, we didn't have sex, like he didn't press for sex, he wasn't worried, he got us food, he was very nice. Second day, we go to the pool and he meets 4 girls who were American but they were Ethiopian. And so he asked if they wanted to come with us to Kingston, and they were like, yeah. And so he has his cousin come or something so that he can get all 6 of us girls to Kingston. We go to Kingston, we go party. The 4 girls sleep in his bedroom, and me and my friend sleep in the guest room. And I'm not sure where he slept because we went to bed first. So in the middle of the night, he comes in and he like masturbates on my friend's face while she's sleeping. So we're like, what the fuck, like, this is weird. Yeah, so we like kind of act all weird, and he realizes that we're not like okay with it, so he leaves. And in the video you can hear him say like he comes in and we don't give him any pussy, he just lays there, whatever. And so as he leaves the room, we lock the door. Yeah, so we lock the door, and the next morning we're like, we have got to leave, like we have to leave, like we can't be here. So we asked the other girls were like, hey, when are you guys leaving? Because they were staying in Montego Bay. They're like, we're leaving in like an hour. We're like, can we come? They said, no, there's no room. We're like, we had to figure out how. So I asked his cousins, since they lived in Montego Bay, I was like, hey, can you give us a ride back to Montego Bay? And after I asked that, he came upstairs yelling at us. He was really mad that we wanted to leave. Basically said that we had to have sex with him. And then told my friend that she owes him sex because she wasn't going to be in the music video and she wasn't supposed to come, and that if she wants to stay here, if she ever wants to come back to Jamaica, whatever, she has to have sex with him. And you can kind of hear him repeat that when I start the video. And then he was basically like, you have to suck my dick and lick my balls and eat my ass. And she didn't realize that like calling him gay was gonna be such an insult. She's like, I'm not gonna eat your ass, that's gay. And that's when he just like lost it. Then he like pushed her off the bed and he like came over and slapped me, and then hit me with kind of like his forearm, and then ran over and punched my friend, and then just ran out of the room, like slammed the door. And we can hear him coming back up the stairs, so I started recording, and that's what you hear in the video. He wanted his money back for the flight. Like, he never paid us for sex. We never had sex. Well, we didn't have sex with him up until that point. When I was finally able to leave and I went to go get the police, my friend did have sex with him because she was scared for her life and she just wanted to leave. So she did have sex with him. And she doesn't want to be named because of this. However, yeah, she just doesn't want to be named because people are being really rude to me, so I can assume how rude they would be to her. And he's also talking about in the video where he's yelling at us that we left him to go to the beach, and we did. It was when we were in Montego Bay. We went to party, and we came back from party, we ate, and he fell asleep, and so we're like, let's go to the beach. And so we went to the beach, and he was really mad because he thought we left us. But he didn't bring it up until we were already in Kingston, and he was already yelling at us. So, and we didn't steal anything from him. The police had a feeling that he was going to try to say that, and so when we went to the police station, they opened up all of our luggage, went through everything, took pictures of everything, because we were going to press charges. It was when like a senior officer came in. He was like, it's not worth it, blah blah blah, you'd have to fly back and forth from America to Jamaica, it's going to be really expensive, no one's going to take you serious. So we were just like, all right. So we left the police station. I went with someone I trusted, and they took care of us, and we made it home safe, and everything's fine. We're good and safe now. I'm not sure who leaked the video, but I think that it's very important that people see how he really is.
Well, there you have it. That was what the female had to say about the whole entire situation that went down with recording artist Jacure. In the video, the female detailed exactly what transpired, and many are believing the female over the recording artist. But what transpired here is very sad and unfortunate, and it's really not looking good on the side of the recording artist, after the female is just spilling the beans as it relates to what transpired. In fact, the female really shared some damning information as it relates to what the recorded artist wanted to have done to them. And it's very sad to see how this has played out on social media, even though the female in the questionable video said that she was not the one that actually leaked the video, and it might have been leaked by someone that it was sent to. other than the police. However, we're not sure where the video came from. However, it's an incident that is making rounds on social media, and it is not looking good on the entertainer side because a number of his fans and even haters are bashing him on social media. And Jacure, in his response, is basically delivering a message to the world right now, stating that he loves the woman and he will not do anything in order to disrespect them. However, in a recent video that was posted to social media, the recording artist could be heard apologizing for his action in the previous video, which involved the two female. But as it stands right now, it doesn't really look good on the entertainer side, based on the fact that this female is actually just spilling the beans for whatever reason we don't know. But we'll continue to just keep you up to date with this story. But it doesn't look good on the entertainer's side, and a number of his fans right now are looking the other way and wondering if the artist is actually telling the truth or the female is just lying on him. We'll try to keep you up to date with this story though. This is Links7 TV, Celebrity to the Scoop, and I believe we're gonna leave this one here for now. You can just drop it in the comment section though. Let me know how you feel about this story and who do you believe is actually telling the truth, Jacure or the mystery female. I'm out for this one. Peace out. Have a blessed and productive day from Links TV family. Bless.